Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm going to go through Land Rover Defender 110 side steps. So we are going to kind of replace the old ones with these flat ones because they're like round. I think your feet keep slipping and it's quite tucked in, so we are going to change it to these ones here that are being purchased online. I'll show you this step by step of what we're going to do. This is the kit, this is what it comes with. Then 4 bars, the 2 steps and the bolts. It's pretty damn easy from experience. However, in this video I am going to show you, and it's the same on the other side as well. So here it is. Right, so we've taken that off, the original. These 2 bolts here and 4 on that side. Obviously it's different shaping, this is different style. That's why you've got these to kind of, you know, hold the weight down. So here it is. Let's go underneath. So what we have, this has been undersealed, so it's a bit of a ball ache. You have a hole. Where am I looking at? There's a hole here. Here exactly. And there's a hole here. So they're the 2 holes for the bolts. And there's another 2 here as well. What we're going to do is cut this here. I'm going to cut it all off, take it away, because that fitment there will not sit in properly. You'll see what I mean once I move on to the next stage. You can take these off and remove it, but I don't know. To be fair, in the Defender 90s I've also cut these off. Just cut it here. Stanley knife, good luck. I'm going to use this little machine here. It's a lovely piece of kit. It goes through it, but make sure you don't go through the plate because you're gonna damage it if you ask me. But yeah, here as well we need to kind of scrape a bit off. I mean, the thing that I was using ain't the best. I'm just going to use like a flat edge just to like bend it a little bit, because we're talking that mill. It's a mill that's causing it not to fit in right. So yeah, push that back a little bit and we're good. Here we are, guys. It's in there in the holes, as you can see, tightened up. And this is what I meant earlier when you cut this, because this will not let it sit in. So I've cut a decent amount off there. Nothing to worry. And this side as well. As you can see what I've done there, I've chipped a bit of it. Otherwise there's a ball ache to get in. But it is now done. The hardest one out of these is this one in here. It is a really hard one to get to, and I've done it the other way around. I've not tightened it fully yet. But the next step we're going to do is this. So the kit comes with this. You put it into the hole, and this is the bar. So that goes in like that, in there, and this end here goes into here. It just kind of gives it strength when you put your foot down. I'll show you this. It is all done, guys. That's how it is. Very simple, nothing crazy about it. Some do take this off, which I don't recommend. It's going to be a faff. You could just do it, depends how handy you are. But that's the look we have. That's the sort of size comparison compared to the old one. It'd be nice if it was the same size. It'd be really nice kind of length. It'll just make it more bulkier, but however, unfortunately we're going to have to live with it. But hey, there you are.